Are you foggy? Just can't quite think clearly? In Qigong, that usually means that you've got stagnant energy. So mental fog means stagnant energy, and we're going to do a flow today that's designed to clear out that stagnation. So just start, get your seat, and the palms are going to be towards each other, and we're just going to go out with them. And then move as if you're opening a curtain, just flow like that. Come back to the heart, the chest area, and then push out and open. You can lean forward a little bit as you go out and lean back a little as you go forward or back. So we're exhaling as we push out, inhaling, opening the chest, letting energy flow in. Nice flow. This is parting the clouds. That's it. Very simple flow. That's just going to drop you into that zone, get you into flow state, clear all the stuff that's in the way. So even if you're not feeling foggy, it's a nice one to set intention with, that you're like, okay, there's been stuff happening, all that's done with, I'm opening to a new day, a new breath, a new freshness. Just finding your own personal rhythm. What speed will drop you into that flow so you can really sense the qi. You might notice the energy between your hands as you go out. When they're close together, now that we've done that qi ball exercise, feeling more energy now, more awareness of the energy. And sometimes it takes a while to drop into it. That's what's important about Qigong is you got to give yourself a little time to reach that still point. Because at first you're just moving your arms, right? There's just a physicalness. And then after a few movements, or maybe after a few minutes, you can then feel the flow. And just letting that drop. Slow, deep breathing. You can coordinate the movement with the breath, or you can just breathe normally. Whatever's easiest. Whatever's feeling like the right thing today. Maybe put a smile on your face. Very important mudra for bringing in more joy. Just circulating the energy. Comes in, we're filling up the chest with fresh energy, we're pushing out the old. And as you drain stagnant energy from one part of the body, that stagnant energy in the mind or in the head will just flow into that. And flow in and out. Creating a current. Any stagnant energy in the lower body is going to flow into this current and out. It's going to restore your energy reserves. Flows always are working on bringing you more energy. Qigong's one of the few exercises that will bring more energy in instead of depleting you. You're not expending energy. You're supposed to be just very relaxed, And notice that now, relaxing your eyes, relaxing your face. Go ahead, relax your shoulders. Feeling all the joints in your body expanding as you inhale into them. A little bit of a close as you go out. Let's just do one more. One more out. And bring that energy in. This time we're going to bring it into our lower dantian, that energy center in the belly. And just take a moment to let the energy settle in. Bring your awareness into your belly, maybe even feeling your feet. We tend to get our energy up high. And you did it again, another session of Chair Qigong. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'll see you tomorrow.